DJ Tosh. Now I know you've been working hard tonight, but you say something about tonight. You said something about 2026. DJ Tosh, what did you say about 2026? Tosh, he's making us hold up. Oh, this is what he said. He said that's about 2026. Come on, DJ. What you say? Cause what? Tonight's gonna be a good night. Cause what? Tonight's gonna be a good night. Come on, y'all. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Let's go, DJ. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tell me, come on, y'all. Come on, Mario. Let's go. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Put those arms up in the air.
Yeah.
Put those arms up. Come on.
You always look like you're dying.
That tonight's gonna be a
Let's go!
Listen. Come on.
Let's live it up. Rapid fashion. Like, oh my God. Lift up that sofa.
It's
It's
to you.
I feel stressed out. I wanna do it for
That's okay.
Chit. Mazel time. Just dancing. Just take it.
What do we say? Shut it down.
Let's go, Jay.
Come on, y'all.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
There we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it again. Let's do it.